got a lot of the shit like this, nigga. And I ain't even said it or wrote.
God to help us, man. This what the city do.
I like that.
Our city about that work for real. Like, our people take care of it. We take care of each other. We're not gonna let this shit happen again. We're not gonna let this shit happen again. It's not gonna happen again. Thank y'all. We appreciate y'all. Just grab a room if you want. Grab anything you want. All right.
Yeah, welcome. Thanks for watching. I wanted to just do a quick video of different stocks. Not particularly, I'm not gonna go into everything but particularly stocks and places you can get stocks at, and basically places you can buy crypto. Because you have like Robinhood, you got Coinbase, you have Webull. I use Yahoo Finance to look at the stocks that I have. Wallet is a Coinbase wallet. Gemini, you can use Gemini to earn interest on different cryptos that you have. And then we have the different accounts that I'm going to go through. So, okay, first things first. Oh yeah, also, like, if you're into it, usually if I do anything on the internet now, I usually use Opera. So I've been using Ali. I just got an account with Ali, so that's a disclaimer. I just got it, so I haven't been using the services. I checked online and I've looked through their different reviews on Ali, and I don't know. Basically, I wanted to start with the banking. So you can, if you're looking for a place where you can put your money and you can have it appreciate over, over the years and get a nice return on it. Most banks are 10% even for the savings accounts. So we have right here is an Ally Bank savings account. It's 50% APY on all balance tiers. You also have a checkings account that you can get. I just got both. I just got them today, so I'm not, just buyer beware. That everybody has their issues with something, and the reviews that I've seen is that there's issues with the rate of transfer. I guess they operate more like a credit union, so buyer beware. But this is just like if the next one I'm going to show you, American Express, which is it's a lot of other opportunities out here too that you can take advantage of if you have a business. And if you're making a nice amount of money where you have 50,000 laying around in an account barely appreciating, so you would want to put that, and then say like they have a Citibank account that you can get. Citibank has some things going on, and also, so you'll probably see in the video the other accounts that you could get. And then we're going to go back to, okay, now you also have your IRAs. You can get a slew of different IRAs, but I'm not going to go into all the different IRAs that you can get right now. I'm just going to show you the ones that I have and the ones that you can get on these applications. They also have various uses that you can get a savings account on the application. Then you can get an IRA on the application. They make it very simple. It's not complicated. It's not, this whole long drawn out process. It's a very simple process. Unless you were to do a trust and you wanted to write up your trust, get it checked by a lawyer if you need to, and then you would get a trust administered if you wanted to. I am not a financial advisor, a CFA, a CPA. Please do your due diligence when you are researching any of this information. But let's go on. You have your fidelity. Also, a lot of these things I've also been aware of, but it just finally realized that this is the time to actually do it and to actually get, to start putting money into the future, and also to find ways to make money now. So one of them was to I just opened up an individual account just for the fun of it, and I opened up a Roth IRA, and I just threw in $100 just for now. And in our IRA, you see that you can buy stocks, you can diversify. You don't have to let somebody else run your IRA. I honestly don't like to put my affairs into other people's hands as far as I can, take it. And yeah, I'm going to do it myself. I'd rather be responsible for my own money excuse me, than to have anybody else lose it for me. So, it just takes a little bit of research, and you can find out which stocks will, give out some nice shares, give out nice dividends, have a high return, on investment. Like, I'm just starting out with a Honda, and so this is the S&P 500 dividend fund. You can get a nice dividend off. Diversify as much as you want to, but do your due diligence, research all your stocks that you're going to be getting. I mean, invest in things that you have and you own. I mean, like I own a Honda, so it's like, why not? Like, but I will be doubling down on these stocks and just building people. I have another individual trading account on here. Purchased Ursa. I got some PSEC. I was given the Glenworth. I might keep it. I don't know. The Mega Security. I bought 10 shares of that. It's up. It's nothing major right now, but I mean, as you'll see, it's going to be potential for growth. So it's all about, like they say, it's all about the marathon. It's not a sprint. So just had to take your time, and eventually you will see a return on this. Like, growth is there. It's all up to you. You just had to do your research on this. Like, usually stocks that I'm already dealing with are stocks that I'm going to put in my IRA, especially ones that have a nice dividend return. And I mean, this is all investing I probably did within the last month, and so it's nothing major yet. Nothing I mean, besides a few cents here and there. Like, but you can always see the potential in just growing farther and farther, as long as you keep reinvesting. So, we also have Coinbase. It's nothing major. Like I said, I kind of like reassessed. I had a few different cryptos. I had Dogecoin, like all of us. I had AMP, a couple cryptos. They just Coinbase is pretty great, I would say, because you can watch videos and they'll give you ample. They give you Barn Bridge, Bitcoin. They've given me, I think they know I transferred that over from Gemini, but I had Uniswap, Compound. They gave me Compound. Like, I mean, they're just giving them away, and I mean, it's not like you can then, you see I cashed out, and you see I've turned this into money. You can use that money, and you can buy other stocks, or you can buy other crypto. So it's up to you what you want to do with it. They just charge a fee to cash out, and then they charge a small fee to buy shares. So that was the one thing I don't like about Coinbase, is that you should probably use Gemini, but Gemini is they don't have a lot of crypto on there. But for the crypto I would use Gemini to buy it, and then I would go on transfer from Gemini to Coinbase. Just make sure you have the wallet, you have the address right, and you transfer it to Coinbase, and then take it off of there. Like, it's a cheaper fee for when you cash out. And besides that, I mean, like I said, you can go on. You have Gemini. Gemini's, I mean, it's okay. See, my portfolio is low on here because I only have Gemini dollars. You earn an appreciation for about it's like 7.4%. So, I mean, that's a no-brainer. I mean, it's a stable coin. It's backed by the dollar. So it's like basically you just got $19 sitting there to appreciate. So, I mean, it's up to you whether you want to deal with that or not. I deal with it because it's like, all right, cool. I needed to put money on here anyway. So it was like, oh, well, I'm going to just leave it on there and just see what happens. But besides that, these are all the different platforms, different services that you can use to buy and sell stock, cryptos, to start an IRA, to start a traditional IRA, to start a Roth IRA. Depends on which one you want to do, which tax situation you'll be in now or later. And, that's up to you to do your research on all of it. But it's not rocket science. It's not something that's complicated. It's something that you just need to become aware of. That's all. All right, I'm out because I'm pretty sure this is going to be a dumb long video. And thanks for listening. If you listened so far, I'm out. You already know who I am, so yeah, peace. By any means necessary, legally.
Overtime, I ain't have a mic. I was in that Chevy playing Savage Life. Niggas looking like I had it wrong. Now them niggas know I had it right. They don't know about them sleepless nights.